Spin him. Get up, Matthew. Come on, Matthew. Come on, Matthew. Come on, Matthew.
You're here. Good.
Matthew, get in there.
Get right in. Get it.
Cheers.
All right, go, Mark. Go, Mark. Better on go. Hey, Mark. Oh, go, Matthew, go!
Run towards the ball.
What was the turnover?
Hmm?
This was out of bounds. Ball went out.
Oh, okay. Good.
Get that ball, Snowstorm!
Go, Tillman.
Evan, get up there! Get in it!
Good. Great. Keep it going. Nice.
Get in there, Snowstorm! Nice to meet you.
Hamish, pay
Step
attention
up,
to
step
what's
up.
going on the
Step
field,
up.
right? And you'll see what's happening with people's positions. And you see, like, if you watch Mark, one of the things that's happening there is Mark is too far forward and he should be further up because he's the faster one. And if he gets the ball, he's pretty accurate as well. So what you'll see is some people are running up, but then stopping right about here and they've got nobody to go to. Okay, so keep an eye. See, everybody's bunched up a bit.
Don't stop. Never stop. Great, team. Great. Nice.
Oh, he's back in.
Good job, three.
He got in.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, he's fine.
Mom,
Just a moment.
you're facing Shane, and he got a little
Good.
Follow it up, Snowstorm!
You see Mark's up there all by himself.
Matthew, towards the goal, not the ball.
I've actually noticed that while I was playing with
Yeah.
him. I've seen Mark up there by himself. I tried to give him support.
Yeah, I know.
I just wasn't too.
Yeah.
just wasn't. I see Tillman just stopping.
But we need to remember and get this dealt with, okay?
Towards the ball, bench.
That's probably
Good work, Mark. I mean,
Get ready, defense.
Evan.
Get
Evan.
back.
Tillman.
Guard your goal!
Great.
Back more, back. Come on, back. Look right there.
Snowstorm, look around. You're only going to see white players. Spread out.
Mark, number 5. Come on. Matt.
If you're within a couple feet of a white player, move apart.
This might be the.
ooh.
Go. Take it out of there. Nate, get.
Not over, don't let it over your head.
Benji, you move away. You're too close.
Follow it up, guys!
Nice, Benji. Follow it.
Okay, Tillman, way forward. Good.
Now towards the ball. Somebody challenge him. Charge the ball.
That was out.
Keep going. Keep playing.
Good job.
Nice.
Nice job, Greg. Alright, come on, guys. Guard your goal.
Get it to Marky.
Nice, Evan.
Good block.
Better. Okay, Andrew, great job. Play goal. Come on, guys. You guys. Okay. Hamish on goal.
Take your positions once you know.
Okay. On the right. Oh, just watch him. Come on. Mark, Mark.
Get up there. Go, Ben.
Follow it.
Lost the shoe. Go! Yes! Yes! Well done. Oh, poor guy lost his shoe.
Nice.
Matthew.
Nice job, man.
Good.
Good job, Mark.
O cara, ao invés de largar o sapato e colocar na bola, ele larga aí o sapato.
Hey, Tillman, stay back off the field, okay?
Look at the ball,
Are you?
man.
No, he's not in the
Stay
side.
right
Yeah.
Come on, Benji.
Go.
Come on, Mark.
Spread them out. Run, Mark. Move it.
Keep going. Keep going. Go up, Elliot. Go up.
Go. Go towards the goal, Mark.
Go!
Towards the goal.
Elliot, yeah, that's it. Stay right there. Send it in the box.
Elliot. Turn it in, Ben. Turn it in.
Shoot! Great, go!
Nate, get up.
Well done. Get it.
Up, Nate.
Get it, Benji. Benji.
That's it, Elliot. That's it.
Very good one.
Go, yourself. Go.
Go!
Keep going. Keep going. Hey, Elliot, towards the goal.
Keep going, Matt. Don't stop. Cross. Okay. Good.
Elliot, Mark. Evan.
Benji, right there. Stay.
Great.
Get ready, Ben. Get ready, you guys. Get it back in the box.
Take your.
There you go, Ben. Get it back out of there. Nice.
Just a little bit.
Move forward. Don't stop. Go! Oh, great kick.
Okay, great. Nice run. Get back.
That was great kick.
Evan.
Great.
Come on,
Nathan, bring the
Evan.
defense
Tough
back.
up, Evan.
Wherever it
Get
is.
in front of 10. Hey, Mark. Huh?
Great. Straighten out the defense.
Number 3, get in front of him. Nah, Benji. No. Evan. Hey, great. Back. No. Good kick. This way, Greg.
Follow it, Benj. Get it downfield.
Get back, Matthew. Evan, get back.
Get on him. Challenge him.
Come on.
Challenge it.
Yeah. That was a good goal. That's no surprise. Shane's pretty fast.
They got behind the defense. No, Matthew, stay there. Matthew, stay there.
Go, Elliot. Talk to each other, you guys. Spread out. Go, Benj. Spread out.
Hey, Matthew. Great, take that.
Yeah.
Great. Get out of there, Evan. Get up.